Hi everybody, this is Michael Saxton, and this is my 2011 Honda Pilot Touring Edition with four-wheel drive. Today I'm going to be replacing the negative ground cable for the battery. Basically what happened was, one day I was working on the car and I had the battery disconnected since I was doing some electrical work, and when I went to reconnect it, I noticed that the clamp was not tightening all the way. So, to make a long story short, I realized that the cable itself was worn out, and so I ordered a new one, and I'm going to be installing that today. So, on we go. The first tool that you'll need is a pocket screwdriver or a clip removal to remove these two clips over here for the air plenum, just to gain easier access. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then once we get that done, we're going to use a 10mm socket to remove the battery terminal from both ends of the car. Now that I have the air plenum out of the way, I'm going to remove this bolt over here as well as this one. Now that I have the cable out of the car, you can see that the end of it here was getting sort of frayed. And I don't know if I can show you here, but basically put this on and it just comes off like that. So I have a brand new part here I'm going to be installing right now. And here's the brand new ground cable that I'm going to be installing on my car. And that's all there is to it. I have the new cable installed in the car, and as you can see, this one stays in place. So, this is Michael Saxton. Thanks for watching and have a good day.